Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
Welcome back for another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're joining you from Wiradjuri country and we're going to be doing a bake that's simple but delicious. Loaded Teriyaki Potato Gems. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. And here's the list you can screenshot for later. First thing we're going to do is place the potato gems onto a preheated oven tray. You want to make sure they're all touching the bottom of the tray. Now whack them in a 200 degree oven for 45 minutes to an hour. While that's baking, go and explore your campsite. We were camped right on the river. About halfway through, flip the gems to get them all crispy. They should look something like this. Now chuck them back in the oven till the other ingredients are ready. If you're at camp, why not enjoy a tasty beverage while they bake? When they're close to getting done, heat up a pan on the stove and get ready to brown the beef. It was a little cold while we were camping and the beef was still a little bit frozen, but it should look something like this. Make sure to stir it as it cooks. Now, let's make the teriyaki sauce. First, add a tablespoon of sugar to a mixing bowl. Then put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in. After that, add a tablespoon of mirin and a tablespoon of cooking sake. After that, add 2 tablespoons of water. Then give it a stir. When you've browned the mince, add in the mixture. Now just let the sauce reduce in the pan. While that's happening, cut up the spring onion. I was lazy and used scissors. After that, pull the gems out of the oven and add the beef. After that, you want to garnish it with the spring onion. Now it's time to admire your creation. I'll be the first to admit, it isn't the prettiest dish, but it's pretty tasty. Now the only thing left to do is to inflict it upon your friends. This one's nice and easy to do while you're in camp, or you could even cook the gems while you're driving and make the beef when you stop for lunch. I think it's a bit of a winner. And there you have it. Teriyaki beef potato gems, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram at Baked in My Car.